To.
There's a fly.
Ano mo ipisat ka gito? Yan, may dugo na siya.
My dad killed the fly. Okay. For today's video, my dad is gonna speak in Ilonggo.
Okay. Mayo aga kaninyo da. Ari naman ako naghahambal kan. Ambal subong nga ingat kahalong kamo kanunay kay damo na mga drug-addict. Kasi yung presidente naton ay abaw daw gusto niya man ng hindi kali pwede pag hindi kali pwede hambal di kay damo mga viewers nga mga bata bawal galit na mag-shampoo sa sabon paki-delete na lang
Si Sara Duterte?
yan bawal galit na galit so may aga sa tanan no di ko nakalagaw kung si Iloilo namin to madamo dito may damo to mga white beaches madamo to
Man tayo sa
Ilonggo
Iloilo.
madamo to Ilongga to di ang white tana sa Iloilo takaron pero ang may Ilonggo halin gina sa Iloilo ya amo gina tinuod alam mo dito sa amon sa Negros ay abaw ang kwarta to ginapiko ginapala
Hala. Palay?
Ginapiko ginapala ang kwarta ba
Ay.
ginapiko ginapala ang kwarta di may naman po sa ako nga way mo gindalan sa ginsan ang mga kwarta nyo dito sa Negros hindi paano madala mo nga puro tika lang gani
If you guys did not understand that, I know what it means, but I don't know how to say it.
yan ang utod ko siling niya yung utod ko siling nagdamgo siya damo daw
Hala, nagdamgo
siya na damo daw kutong kindi di pag bugtaw niya tiway na siya unlan na ubos na
If you guys don't know what that means, my dad said he has a friend that had a dream about cotton candy. And then, when he woke up, his friend, wala na siya. Wala. He does
Pillow.
not have pillows anymore.
because
Naubos na. Nakurot.
ubos niya na mo di may isa ka lula to na mangkot
Oh.
sa isa ka pointer ba sa pantalan kaya masakay siya sa barko di siling sang lula nga tudong kanus ina malarga nga barko di ang siling sang portet dugaya ni mula oy tuan na noon lakaw na
If you don't know what it means, there was a old lady, grandmother, that went on a ship, and then she said to a person,
porter
"When is the ship going?" And then the person said, "You are so slow. The ship is already there."
wow
Another story.
another story okay ara ko nagaobra ko sa highways di ang mga tao na akon at taga San Jose ti alam mo na taga San Jose mga tao da mga blaan ba swingan sa akong tao nga sir kana imong motor sir ba kusog lagi magdagan ano kung kusog magdagan nga naman kayo tanawang lagyan sir baga kayo kubal
Okay, this is, if you don't know what it means, here's the translation. My dad said he was on his motor. And then someone said that like it's very fast. And then, ano ka na yun? Ano ka na yun?
Tapos, kung anong kusog man magdagan, ano siya magkubal. Kubal is
And-
kanang kalyo. Ano sa
Kalyo.
English yan?
Kalyo. That's kalyo.
Sa mga bagag kubal ba?
Okay. And then, my dad, did you see it?
Bagag kubaw?
My dad said that because of the bukal. What?
Kubal.
Kubal. Bukal. Okay, next story.
Okay. Akon hinablos nagkanta siya. Ang kanta niya is pagkasakit palandumon buktot ko nga kangen daw malupokit akong dugan piwakan pamangani sa bayaw ko na ngi dughan ko daw makisi.
Daddy, can you say the translation
Okay. In
in English?
English, okay. What a song is that about? My cousin have he has a heartache because his mother-in-law is a buktot.
What's a buktot?
It's called that Cuba.
Kuba? Ano kuba?
Yung sa likod yung likod.
So, can you excuse me, Daddy?
No.
So, like,
No.
something, and then, and then,
Mhm.
and then,
And then okay. What else? What more?
like,
Okay. So ano pa ba?
ako naman mag-tell ng story.
Okay.
My turn. Okay. Bisaya ni ha. Okay. Nag-adto ko sa palengke. Tapos, meron ko nakita isang gamatoy na bata. Tapos, meron doon sa sakyanan. And then, gusto mo malaman ano yung ano rin?
Okay.
Na
I have a story also.
Can I finish my story?
Okay.
Tapos, naligsan siya.
Oh no.
Hala, naligsan siya. Diba? Ito yung sasakyanan. Ito yung sasakyanan. Ito yung bata. Na ano kanina sabi ko?
Nahit.
Na ano kanina sabi sa'yo?
Minsan.
Naligsan siya. Ikaw naman.
Oh, his story is not happy. It's a sad story.
Okay.
But okay. I have a joke.
What?
In 1930s, one Filipino goes to Italy because he want to make a record or a history that he is the first Filipino to go to Italy. So when he go to Italy, he got there. So he and when he is hungry, he go to the restaurant and he said, "Oh, I am in Italy, so I have to use the Italian accent." And they like pancit canton. So he asked the waiter, can you please give me pancini cantoni?" So the waiter said, "Once man ni, kanon yung posto ni.
Gusto ni.
Poston makan ibalot ba. Unsa man ni kanon yung posto ni?" So he was so disappointed because may Pilipino na din pala doon. So ang sabi niya, punta na lang ako ng France baka para ako ang first Pilipino na nakapunta ng France. So when he got in France, nagutom na naman siya. So ang nangyari is nagpunta na naman siya sa restaurant tapos nag-order na naman siya. So he liked pancit gisado. So sabi niya, so I'm in France. So I have to use the So I'm in France. So I have to use the French accent. So gusto niya man ng pancit gisado. So ask niya ng waiter, "Waiter, yes sir. Can you please give me panswa-gaswa?" So ang sabi ng waiter, "Unswa?" May Bisaya pala din. Kasi hindi naintindihan ng waiter kasi Bisaya din yung waiter. So ang sabi ng waiter is, sabi niya sa waiter, "Waiter, can you please give panswa-gaswa?" Sabi ng waiter, "Unswa?" So I have a friend also na nagpunta siya doon sa Amerika. So when he got there, he made a lot of friends. So when nagka-friends na siya, yung na-friends niya is halos mga Black Americans. So when you talk to Black Americans, lagyan mo talaga ng men sa ulahi. So sa huli, lagyan mo yung word mo, lagyan mo ng men. So sabi ng friend niya na Black American, "Hey man." "Yes man." "Are you calling man?" "No man." "Why man?" "Pobre man."
Pobre ka.
So sabi ng Black American na, "Hey man, how you doing man?" "Okay lang man." "Are you calling man?" "No man." "Why man?" "Pobre man."
Sorry, if you are not Filipino and if you don't understand this joke,
Yeah.
please watch again.
Yeah.
And next, can you tell us another joke? Government.
What joke pala?
My dad's thinking of a joke. Funny joke.
Okay, I have ano pa bang joke? I have a joke. My joke is my face. Do my face looks funny?
Why are you staring at their soul? Make a joke. Okay, I have a joke. Okay.
Yeah.
It's in English,
Yeah.
but it's also Filipino. So, what is a kuko? Ito na kuko.
Nails.
What is the what kuko nails can does swim in the water? Crocodile.
Uy. Hi. Are you calling man? No man. Why man? Pobre man.
Another joke, Daddy.
Another joke. I'm just
Another
thinking
joke.
another joke because naubusan ako ng mga joke. Ano pa bang joke? Siya. Okay, may joke ako. May dalawang magkaibigan. Yung isang kaibigan is kuba.
What is kuba?
Yung isa is
Kuba?
bulag. Kuba yung ganyan. Tapos
Ganito?
Yeah, kuba yung malaki yung likod niya, kawawa. So ang kuba sabi is inunahan niyo yung yung bulag, sabi niya may kanta akong narinig na yung bulag, inunahan niyo yung kuba. Sabi ng kuba, may kanta akong narinig para sa'yo, para talaga yun sa'yo. Yung kanta ni Ray Valera, yan? Yung mayroon lungkot sa'yo mga mata. Sabi ng bulag, may lungkot sa kanya mga mata kasi hindi siya nakakita. Tapos yung kanta na naman is, sabi din ng bulag na at kay bigat ng iyong dinadala. Oo, titabla sila. They got strike by the song. They got hit by the song. Kasi yung unang lyrics is, mayroong lungkot sa iyong mga mata at kay bigat ng iyong dinadala. Kasi bigat daw, kasi lang yung dinadala ng kuba is parang mountain.
Oh!
Kaya ano pa ba ang joke?
I have a joke.
I have a joke.
Okay. You first?
Ah, ah, ano ba yung joke ko?
You forgot?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna tell my joke.
Okay.
What is the nail or the cuckoo that you can eat? Coconut.
Coconut. Wow, that's so funny.
My dog's face.
So, what else?
Mm, okay, I have a joke. It's about me.
Okay. Yeah.
What is a aliyah that you can use to wrap food? Aliyah munimun.
Wait.
Aluminum. Aliyah munum.
Okay.
And also, I have another joke.
Okay. What's that?
My face.
Okay.
Make a joke. Make a joke.
Okay.
Make a joke. A joke. Joke. A joke. Wait, I'm gonna find a joke. Wait.
Princess O? No? Daddy?
Hey, I have a book of jokes,
Okay.
but it's in rat version. Rat, like the actual rat. Okay. What if a mouse lost his tail? Where would he go to get a new one? The retail shop. Okay, next joke. Wait. Okay. What is the tallest building in the world? Because it has a library, because it has the most stories.
Okay.
Your turn.
Okay, I have a joke. There is his younger brother and his older brother. The older brother had a crush in their neighbor, and then the older brother visit his crush and said to her that I have a plenty of animals that I brought to you. It's just doon lang daw sa ilalim. So sabi nandun sa ilalim, patutunugin ko lang. So sabi niya, sige, patutunugin ko ha. Sige, may dala akong aso. Ay siya, tunog aso. Rar, rar. Sabi nung younger brother sa ilalim. Rar, rar. Oh, mayroon pa akong dala dyan.
Baboy.
Baboy. Tunog baboy. Eh, ano pang dala mo? Meron pa akong dalang tiger. Tiger? Oo, tunog tiger. Sabi ng younger brother. Tapos ano siya, Yung pinaka-espesyal is mayroon pa akong dala dyan. Galing pa sa zoo. Huh? Ano yun? Elepante. Tunog elepante. Sabi ng younger brother, Kuya, nahihirapan ako. Nagreklamo na yung kapatid niya kasi nahihirapan. Hindi na alam yung tunog ng elepante. Nahihirapan na daw siya.
What does it actually make though?
Hmm?
Ano na lang, meron ako ilaga sa aking dala ko ilaga, oh.
Kasi akala ng babae is madami talaga siyang kundi yung kapatid niya lang talaga yung tumutunog.
So that means yung
Wala
kapatid,
talaga
yung animal, hala.
Yeah. Sabi ng meron pa akong special, hindi sila nagkaunawaan ng kuya niya. Meron pa akong special galing pa ng soup. Tunog elepante. Kuya, mahirapan ako. Kasi yung baboy kung kuha niya, yung aso at saka yung pusa.
Meow.
Mm-hmm.
That's all for the video, guys.
Okay.
Do you have more jokes?
Wala pa.
Okay, bye-bye, guys.
Ah.